For homeowners in Fayetteville, keeping energy bills under control while maintaining a comfortable home can feel like a constant balancing act. Between the hot, humid summers and cool winter nights, energy efficiency is a top priority. One solution many homeowners are turning to is casement windows, a stylish, practical option that can significantly reduce energy costs while boosting curb appeal. What makes casement windows different? Unlike sliding or double-hung windows that open by moving up or sideways, casement windows are hinged at the side and swing outward, much like a door. They typically operate with a crank handle, allowing them to open wide for maximum airflow. This design does more than provide fresh air. It plays a key role in creating a tighter seal when the window is closed, which is where the real energy savings come into play. Superior seal for reduced energy loss. One of the biggest sources of energy waste in older homes is leaky windows. Air can slip through gaps and cracks, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Casement windows are designed to press tightly against the frame when shut, creating a strong seal that minimizes drafts. For Fayetteville homeowners, this tighter seal is especially beneficial during the extremes of summer and winter. With casement windows, cooled air from your AC stays inside during hot months, while warm air from your heater stays put in the cooler season. This helps stabilize indoor temperatures and lowers energy use year-round. Maximized ventilation in summer. Energy savings aren't just about insulation, they're also about smart ventilation. Casement windows open outward to catch side breezes and direct fresh air into the home. This natural airflow reduces the need to rely solely on air conditioning during milder summer days. In Fayetteville's climate, that can translate to noticeable savings on electricity bills while still keeping the home cool and comfortable. Better glass options for energy efficiency. Modern casement windows often come with advanced glass technologies that enhance their performance. Features like double or triple pane glass, low E coatings, and gas-filled chambers improve insulation, reduce heat transfer, and block harmful UV rays. For Fayetteville homeowners, these upgrades mean not only energy savings but also protection for furniture, flooring, and other valuables from sun damage. Lower energy bills for the long term. Because casement windows reduce air leakage and improve energy efficiency, many homeowners see a significant drop in their monthly utility costs. Over time, these savings can add up, helping to offset the initial investment of replacing old windows. In many cases, homeowners find that casement windows pay for themselves in energy savings while also increasing the overall value of the property. Added comfort and noise reduction. Beyond energy savings, casement windows also contribute to a more comfortable home. Their tight seals block out not only drafts but also outside noise. Fayetteville homeowners living near busy roads or active neighborhoods often notice a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment after upgrading. A smart investment for Fayetteville homes. Installing casement windows is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's a strategic investment in your home's efficiency, comfort, and long-term value. With rising energy costs, every improvement that reduces waste makes a difference. Casement windows offer a practical solution that blends style with substance, helping Fayetteville families stay comfortable while saving money. Conclusion. For homeowners in Fayetteville looking to lower energy bills, improve comfort, and add lasting value to their property, casement windows are a smart choice. Their tight seal, superior ventilation, and energy-efficient glass options make them one of the best upgrades available today. By choosing casement windows, you're not only enhancing your home's appearance but also ensuring it runs more efficiently for years to come.